Today we're going to show you how to change the tub to pump hose on your washer, and it's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a pair of slip joint pliers, a 5/16 nut driver, and maybe a putty knife. Let me show you how we do it. Now, depending on your model of washer, the pump may be located at the front of the washer in the right front corner, or it may be located in the right rear corner. So depending on where that pump is located, that will also dictate how you access the tub to pump hose. If it's located in the front, we'll need to use a putty knife, raise the main top, use a 5/16 nut driver, and remove the front panel and gain access from there. If the pump is on the rear, we simply need to use the 5/16 nut driver to remove the rear access panel. The easiest way to determine whether your pump is located in the front or the rear of the washer is look at the back of it, and if the drain hose connection is clamped right at the back panel, then that's where your pump is located, and therefore your access to the tub to pump hose will be through the back. Now, with the back of the washer access now, and we've removed the drain hose, we're going to loosen the 3 5/16 screws across the bottom, and then we'll remove the 5 screws around the rest of that access panel. Now, if your model of washer does not have the access panel on the back, that would indicate that the pump is at the front of the machine, and you will need to lift the main top, remove the front panel to gain access to the hose. Now, there's probably going to be some water in that pump and in the bottom of the tub, so have a towel handy to sop up any of the extra. And then with a pair of pliers, we're going to squeeze that clamp and slide it up on the hose. And then just wiggle that off of the pump. And then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom of the tub. And then carefully pull the hose off the bottom of the tub and remove it. Then we're going to transfer the 2 clamps from the old hose to the new one. And then we'll reinstall the hose. We'll connect to the bottom of the tub first. Make sure that the hose goes all the way onto the tub. And then with our pliers, we'll position the clamp at the base of the hose. And then we'll fit the opposite end of the hose onto the pump. Make sure that we don't have any twists or kinks in that hose. And then reposition the clamp on the bottom. Make sure both clamps are secure. Now we can reinstall the access panel. Set it into the slots on the bottom. And just tighten those screws up. And then replace the 5 remaining screws. We can now reconnect our drain hose and install our fill hoses, reposition the washer, and our repair is complete.